Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Border Stencils is probably one of the most versatile tools for adding a touch of elegance and personality to your creative projects. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a beginner, these stencils offer a simple yet effective way to transform walls, furniture, or any surface with intricate designs and patterns. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of border stencils, exploring their various types, applications, and how to choose the perfect ones for your needs. Number 5. CrafTreat Floral Border Stencils, DIY Art and Craft. Tired of expensive home decor? These reusable stencils are the perfect solution. They allow you to create beautiful masterpieces quickly and affordably, saving you time and money. Don't worry if you lack artistic skills. These translucent stencils guide you perfectly. The flexibility of the stencils allows you to use them on any curved surface. Transform your walls, tiles, furniture, and more. Use it to create unique home decor, scrapbooks, or even decorate cakes. It's a great way to spend creative time or give a stylish gift. Looking for a great gift? These premium, laser-cut, reusable stencils are ideal for any DIY enthusiast. They're also food-safe, making them versatile for various projects. We are confident in our product and offer a 100% refund or replacement guarantee. Add these stencils to your cart now and start your next creative project. What we like? This stencil is reusable and affordable, saving you time and money on home decor. Its flexible design allows you to use it on any curved surface, making your DIY projects easier. If you're looking to quickly and efficiently create beautiful borders on various surfaces, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? The stencils are easy to use. The stencils are very well made. The designs are beautiful. Number 4. Flower Border Stencils, Mandala Templates for DIY Crafts. You'll receive 16 stencils, each with a unique mandala flower design. This set provides plenty of options for your crafting needs, and you can even share them with friends and family. These stencils are made of quality PET material, which is smooth, safe, and reusable. They are flexible and won't easily break or deform, so you can use them again and again after washing. Each flower frame template measures about 8.3 by 11.4 inches, making it easy to store and carry. The size is perfect for creating exquisite DIY crafts in minutes. Simply place the stencil on a clean surface and use paints, pads, or sprays to apply your design. Once finished, peel it off to reveal your charming painting. These stencils can be used on various surfaces like blackboards, paper, walls, and more. They are perfect for scrapbooking, card making, and other DIY projects, letting you enjoy the fun of template art. What we like? This set offers 16 different mandala flower patterns, providing you with ample variety for your crafts. Made from durable PET material, it's safe and reusable. If you're looking for a versatile set of stencils to decorate walls, furniture, or crafts, this one is a great option. What people say? Lots of options to choose from and the quality is perfect. I have 256 patterns and 16 stencils. Easy to use and a large variety of designs to choose from. Number 3. Ctosree 16 PCS Flower Border Stencil. Introducing the Ctosree Flower Stencils. This set comes with 16 pieces, providing plenty for all your creative projects. They are perfect for various crafts. Each stencil measures about 3 by 12 inches, making them versatile for different applications. You can use them on wood, canvas, paper, and more. These stencils are thin and flexible, making them easy to use on furniture, cakes, and fabrics. They add a colorful and dynamic touch to your projects. With many designs and a user-friendly design, these stencils are great for everyone. It is a good choice for family projects and group activities. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, these floral stencils are perfect. They help you create attractive designs quickly and easily. What we like? With 16 pieces in various patterns, you'll have plenty of options for your projects. The convenient size makes it ideal for a wide range of applications. If you are a DIY enthusiast looking for a user-friendly stencil set for family projects, this is the one for you. What people say? The stencils are easy to use. The designs are beautiful. They are perfect for adding a decorative touch to any project. Number 2. DIY Stencil Template for Painting. This stencil is made from durable plastic, ensuring it can be reused multiple times. It's also designed to be easy to operate, making your painting projects a breeze. The stencil is reusable, so you can create multiple designs with a single template. Its user-friendly design makes it simple to use for both beginners and experienced crafters. With a size of 17.7 by 26 centimeters, or 7 by 10 inches, this stencil offers a versatile size for various projects. It's perfect for adding decorative touches to your crafts and home decor. This stencil works well with pigment, ink pads, and spray paint. You can also use it for airbrushing or hand painting, giving you plenty of creative options. You can use this stencil on fabric, wood, cloth, walls, and furniture. It's a great tool for adding unique designs and patterns to a variety of surfaces. The stencil comes in white, providing a clean and neutral base for your chosen colors. This allows the design to stand out beautifully on any background. What we like. Made from durable plastic, this stencil is reusable and easy to operate. It is suitable for various applications, including fabric, wood, and walls. If you are looking for a simple and versatile stencil for your painting projects, it is a great choice. What people say. The stencils are easy to use. The stencils are great for adding a decorative touch to walls or furniture. The designs are beautiful and intricate. Number 1. DIY Brick Stencil Template Set of 6. Introducing the DIY Brick Stencil Template Set. This set of 6 stencils is perfect for adding a brick pattern to your projects. Made from durable plastic, it's reusable and easy to operate. You can use it again and again for various crafts. Each stencil measures 4.7 inches by 9.4 inches. The size is ideal for a variety of applications. Suitable for pigment, ink pads, spray, and hand painting. It can be used on fabric, wood, cloth, walls, and furniture. Use it to decorate your home, create unique crafts, or add a special touch to any project. This stencil set makes it easy to bring your creative vision to life. What we like. Made from durable plastic material, this stencil is reusable and easy to operate. It is suitable for various applications, including fabric, wood, and walls. If you like the brick pattern and are looking for a simple and versatile stencil for your painting projects, it is a great choice. What people say. I love these stencils. They are very easy to use and the designs are beautiful. The stencils are well made and durable. I used them to decorate my walls and they turned out great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.